Hey guys, I'm Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on my channel. If you're new to the channel, I primarily post planning and organizational videos. And today I'm going to be sharing how not having a planning system in my life has me all out of whack. To be completely honest, I don't know where my planner is and I haven't seen my planner majority of May. And here we are in June and I'm getting ready to go back and see what goals I wrote down in my planner. I did do a mid-month check-in, and I think that's the last time I saw my planner, was in the middle of May. So I haven't seen my planner in a couple of weeks. And I'm talking about my planner as if it's a person, but I have not seen my planner and I had a lot of stuff written down. So I have to find it so that I can get back on track. So I thought that cleaning up my desk would be a good start, because I also have some projects that I need to work on, and I haven't really worked on anything for the simple fact that I have not felt up to it. I haven't touched my memory planner for majority of May. I don't know what was going on in May that I just didn't feel like it. I am in the process of relocating and seeing what's going to happen with that, and I've just been stressed a lot lately, and I feel it. My body feels it. And then this past weekend I was under the weather. I don't know, it was like 90 degrees outside, and then the temperature dropped. So between the AC and the shorts and then switching to sweatpants, and so it's just a lot. It's a lot going on. And then I was thinking about, and I haven't like researched this a lot, but it's like to the extent of what is posted on social media and whatnot, like the whole Mercury retrograde. And I think that started the 26th, and I literally got sick that weekend. So retrograde is hitting me hard, but you know what? I am going to adjust as need be and figure it out. I'm just gonna have to adjust. So here I am. I have a lot of stuff that I need to pack up. I have a lot of stuff that I need to destash. I do have some fun videos coming. I have some thrifted planners that people were interested in, that a few people were interested in, and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I set those up. So I'm excited for that. I don't know if I have a B6 as well. I don't know if I posted that on here or not, but yeah, I just need to get my mind right. And your space is a reflection of how you're feeling. And clearly, I must not be feeling all that great if my desk looks like this. Okay, I was looking for this gift card. I need to get on that. I need to order something. A gift from Barnes & Noble. Oh my God, I just realized that the Michelle Williams book that I wanted to purchase, that I purchased on Amazon, I could have used my Barnes & Noble gift card instead of... This is why. I have 2 Barnes & Noble gift cards, actually, and I would have been able to get the gift that I needed to get, plus the book. Anyway, it is what it is. So that's that. Thank you to everyone that checked out the What's a Plan in Your Planner with No Plans video. I really appreciate it. I'll have it linked in the description box. That video took me a very long time to film. I try to make my videos when I have a goal of educating to be as comprehensive as possible. So thank you to everyone that tuned in. I know a lot of people are saying that their engagement has gone down across a whole bunch of platforms. I know a lot of people talk about it on Instagram. I have seen my YouTube engagement decrease. I also have not been completely consistent on here, so that attributes to it a lot as well. But the whole point of me changing my YouTube name from Chaotic Critic to Lakia Maria was you getting more of me. And even if it's just one person watching the videos, then so be it. So I do need to get back into my memory planning. Like I said, I have a lot of things that I need to pack up. I tried to start this planner, like we'll jump back into this planner that I have here. And this is a sequence planner. It is very flexible. I eventually will be putting up a video of my thoughts on the sequence versus the Stalogy B6 notebooks. This is a grid, while the B6 Stalogy is a dot grid. And I just started, I was going to create a whole separate planner. Like many people, when we start, you know, with our planners and we want to like have a fresh start, so we go ahead and start something new. But I know that I have commitment issues with my planners. So I was like, let me just jump back into this notebook. And I realized that it's something about this notebook that I just can't get into. Like, I loved my Stalogy. I don't even know where it is at the moment, but I loved it. I loved my Stalogy, but this is just not doing anything for me. So I was trying to keep a gratitude log of doing something every day that makes me happy. And I got to May 5th. Yep. So May 1st, I went to a flea market. May 2nd, I went thrifting. May 3rd, I had spent time with my boyfriend. That was fun. May 4th, I watched the Selena series, part 2. Loved it. Okay, that's a conversation for another day. And then May 5th, I started writing my fiction again. I love writing fiction. I have books that I have written that will probably never be published because I write what it is that I want to read. And that brought me back to my book that I have yet to finish. And I haven't finished it because I'm thinking of taking another approach. And this is why I literally just feel like I'm in shambles. Does anyone else feel like this? Like, is it like post quarantine, like post, you know, this pandemic that we've been in, like getting back to reality and getting back to the real world? Like, I just feel so out of sorts. And this is not something that just started and I just started feeling this way. I've been feeling this way for a while, and I wish I could say that it's getting better. It's not. I still feel the same. So I'll clean, and then 5 minutes later, it'll feel like a disaster all over again. So I'm just, maybe I'll feel better once I find my planner. But I have not really been connecting with my planner in a while. And I think that's why I need to change my approach in what it is and how I'm approaching my planner. It's not about a spread for me. I put the cutesy stuff in my memory planner anyway. It's also not about writing every single thing down that I want to do. It's really about, and I never thought of it this way, my planner being, it holds my list. I also put my finance stuff in there. But then again, I don't know why, because I don't look at it anyway. A lot of my bills, I've gotten them to a point where they're on auto pay. So it's like, I just remember. So writing that down for me doesn't really, you know, it doesn't really do anything. And then, like, what is the premise? Like, what purpose is it serving in my life? I don't want to just have a notebook just to have a notebook, you know? I want it to have a purpose. And I realized that I'm not gravitating to it because it's not serving me any purpose. You know, the same thing with people in your life. You don't gravitate to them if, you know, you don't have that connection, if it's not doing anything for you. So, yeah, I don't know where it is. I'm going to keep looking for it, but my purpose now in using it is to have a place where I can write my goals and my manifesting. I don't need to have a whole separate notebook for that. I don't need to have a whole separate notebook for my gratitude. I don't need to do all that. I can just put it all in there. And then when it comes to my memory planning, I can look back through that. And if there's things that I want to put in my memory planner from there, then I can. Cool, great, wonderful. But I will say that writing this down here, because I haven't touched my memory planner, writing down the doing something that makes me happy every day list will help with my memory planning. So I'm still on a 2-planner system, but I do have a 3rd planner, which is going to be for business. I really don't want to put my business stuff, which is my reselling business, I don't want to put that in my regular planner. I just don't. Like, no, I just want to have everything in here. And this is a 6-month plum paper planner. I will be doing a review on this. This is a 6-month monthly. No, is it 6 months? I'm lying. It's a 12-month monthly planner. It's going from June to June of next year. Is it going to June? No, it's going June to May. Yeah, it's going June to May of next year. Anyway, so that's what it's going. It is a 12-month monthly planner. And I just wanted to have my reselling stuff separate, like all of my notes on it. I just want to have my business and my personal life separate, and I don't want it to be overlapping anymore. So my planner is still going to be like my one shot where I put my list of things that I need to get done whenever I need to create a list. I've just been flying by the seat of my pants at this point. But I will be doing that. And yeah, I'm just going to have my manifesting in there. So, and my goals, my monthly goals, and just checking in there. And then when I'm done with it, I can just get another one and move on that way. So I think that's what I'm going to do whenever I find it. This is the other one that I was using. And I was using this in December. Yeah, I was using this in December. But what I didn't like about this one, well, I had an all-in-one, literally. Business, personal, everything in one. But what I didn't like about this one, the cover is really cute, though. I didn't like that the cover is not a hardcover. And that's why I switched over to the one I'm using now. And then when it comes to other planner videos that I'll be sharing with you guys, I will be doing setups, but also other planners stuff in this planner here, which is another plum paper, but this one's from 2016, 2017. And this is the video, this is the planner that I used in my recent video of, see, can't even formulate, my recent video of what's a plan with no plans. So, because I don't even put my plans, in my planner, you know. Stickers, more stickers. If you ever buy anything from me, whether it's from my shop, 15 Roses, which I'll open back up eventually. That's another thing that's been deflating, is having a small business and changing the theme all the time. Like, first it was like shirts and stuff, and well, first it was cups, and then I added an apparel, and you know, I was turning a hobby into a business, and it's like I still make shirts for people, sure, but now it's just like personal stuff. I don't really sell those anymore. Overbuying inventory. Thankfully, I've been able to make all of the money that I've spent on inventory back in my reselling business. And that's just where my focus has been. And that is where my focus will be, because I have had the most success with it. And if you guys are interested in that, happy to give tips based on what I know and what's worked for me, because when it comes to reselling, everything's going to work differently for people based on what it is you choose to resell. So yeah, maybe that's why I feel like this. Is just because I feel so defeated and so deflated. And, you know, this has just always been a safe space for me to come on. And I'm not coming on for sympathy. I'm not coming on to say, yeah, you know, this is why I've been gone. It's just life. I've just been so bleh lately. And I know a lot of people can relate. So that's why I share what I go through. I will say that wherever my planner is, it is somewhere with the Happy Planner sticker book that I recently purchased. It was black and white. And I sat down and did my mid-month check-in. And then from there, I have no idea where it went. So when I find it, I'll post about it. But right now, I just cleaned my desk off and it's not here. It is not here. So back to the drawing board, because I do want to sit down and map out my June goals and go back and check out how May was. And, you know, because sometimes we write down goals and we don't check in. And I don't know if me saying check in all the time, if this is a sign for me to read that Michelle Williams book, Checking In. But that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, would love to have you join the fam, hang out with us, planners, all that good stuff. We'll always be here. But I just wanted to be frank with you guys. And I know that a lot of people can relate. So I appreciate all the support. I hope that you guys are staying safe and are feeling great. And even when you're not, we all have those days. So thank you guys for tuning in. Be sure to leave any comments if you want to check out any related videos that I've mentioned or anything. Always check out the description box, and I will see you guys in the next one.